Today in the grain markets, soybeans were mixed. That China demand is still relatively strong and underpinning the futures right now. Now, Brazil's delay in their planting could also have an impact on the market and maybe giving a little bit more support. Now, farmer selling has slowed somewhat, so that also is making the futures prices a little bit lofty. Even open interest is up somewhat. But one thing to keep an eye on is commercial selling has added to their short position, and it's at record levels right now. So that's something to watch for on the downside. But today the market looks pretty strong. Even corn was steady. Fund managers there are adding to their long position, so that's adding some support to the market. Harvest is continuing, especially in the derecho area, and the results really have been mixed. So that could definitely have an impact on the market going forward. But right now, futures are kind of holding for other news to maybe give it direction. I expect for the rest of the week, the market's going to be choppy as we look forward to the WASDE report coming on Friday. It should be very interesting based on the fact that the third quarter crop results from last week really sent the market really flying high. Now, wheat was higher today, and perhaps just that reason enough, that's what pulled corn and soybeans up as well. But there has been some global supply concerns with Russia hinting that they are going to enact the quotas again. That sparked a little bit of underpinning of support, and the market, just the momentum is really looking for perhaps we're going to get to that $6 mark. Now, Ukraine and Argentina are having their issues as well. Plus, the U.S. dollar is a little bit lower. Any one thing wouldn't necessarily be enough to really push this market higher, but collectively, it definitely was enough to be up double digits. So even Kansas City was up over 13 cents at one point. So the market still has some strength, and possibly we're expecting a lot more volatility and more choppy trade, certainly until the number comes out on Friday.